Mind the store. Understanding an everyday English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, mind the store. This is a common expression used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. Mind the store is an idiomatic expression. At its core, it means to take care of something or be responsible for something, usually in someone's absence. It's often used in the context of business or work, but can apply to any situation where responsibility is key. The phrase, mind the store, has its roots in the literal sense of looking after a shop or business. Historically, it implied overseeing a store, ensuring everything runs smoothly, especially when the primary manager or owner is away. This phrase has evolved to signify taking responsibility in general. Let's see how to use mind the store in various sentences. 1. I have to leave early today. Can you mind the store while I'm gone? 2. John is on vacation, so Mary is minding the store at the office. In these examples, the phrase is used to convey the act of taking charge or responsibility. A common mistake learners make is using mind the store literally for only retail contexts. Remember, this phrase can be used metaphorically in various situations where responsibility and oversight are involved. And that's a wrap on the phrase, mind the store. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your sentences. See you in our next video.